Paid SEO tools are awesome. There's one problem though. They can be very expensive. So if you're a small website owner or an SEO on a shoestring budget, what I'm going to teach you today is going to help you a lot. Hi there, CM Manjunath here. If you are a small website owner or an SEO on a shoestring budget and you want to improve your website's SEO performance and drive tons of traffic to your website, then I'm going to introduce you to a brand new tool that's going to help you a ton. Let's get started. I'm talking about AWT. AWT is short for Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. It was launched recently and I think it is a boon for people like you and me. Why is this tool a boon? First of all, it's free. You heard that right. It's free. You can analyze multiple metrics and improve them from an SEO standpoint on your websites, and AWT can help you analyze as well as improve the performance. We all know SEO consists of two big parts. One is about relevancy, the keywords, the content, the on-page SEO factors, all about that. On the other hand, it's about popularity, backlinks, link building. Ahrefs Webmaster Tool works on same lines. The first tool it offers is called Site Audits, which looks at all the SEO issues. Over 100 plus different factors on your website. It analyzes and spits out the data so that you can figure out what's going on and improve them by listing and prioritizing based on what's important to you. It can also scan up to 5,000 pages on multiple websites which are verified by you as a website owner for free on a monthly basis. Again, I think that's terrific. Site Explorer tool, which is a part of this AWT, offers you information about backlinks, including things like the referring domains, unique domains, your keyword rankings, number of keywords that your website is ranking for, the volume of each of those keywords, as well as keyword difficulty. Very powerful indeed. And the different metrics, some of you would have already used Ahrefs tool. If you have, you know the tools, the metrics such as domain rating, referring domains, organic keywords, and organic traffic. All these are important and these are available to you as a part of this tool for your website or multiple websites. Great again. So how do we go about doing this? Just go to Ahrefs/Webmaster Tools. Once you're in there, you can sign up for free. I like this handy little table that compares Ahrefs Webmaster Tools with Google Search Console, right? Lots of benefits I see here, and I think that's very, very powerful. And of course, they're giving it for free as well. Think of AWT or Ahrefs Webmaster Tools as a boosted or a juiced up version of Google Search Console. That's how I see it. I've already signed up for the free account. You can sign in using your email address, creating a password, and then you are in. What Ahrefs does is two things. One, it can provide you with an automatic verification, which is nothing but importing using Google Search Console. That's one approach. And the second approach is just like on Google Search Console, you could have a meta tag that you could use to connect your accounts, DNS record, or HTML file. Well, I took the import approach. When I click on this client's website, what I see is all those metrics that I was just talking about. Domain rating, the number of backlinks, the number of referring domains, organic keywords, and the traffic, and much, much more. As you scroll down, you'll get a bunch more, which is great. So, a quick recap of what we discussed today. You've got to learn about one of the most amazing tools that's ever been there, according to me. Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. It's free. It helps you analyze your website from an SEO standpoint and gives you tips on how to improve them. Over 100 factors Ahrefs considers to help improve your website's performance from an SEO standpoint. It can scan multiple pages and give you a monthly report. Wonderful again. Backlinks, keyword rankings, all the other metrics such as domain rating is all available to you for free. I'm impressed by this. And the sign up process is very simple indeed. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Please go ahead give Ahrefs Webmaster Tools a try and let me know what you think about it in the comments section. I'd love to know your views on this. This is CM Manjunath signing off. Until next time, bye-bye.